Well, this is exciting. There's a number of smartphones in front of me, and the exciting part is they're not even out yet when I'm filming this. This is 8 of the brand new, unreleased OnePlus NORD for a giveaway. You can actually win one of these. And then this one on top is the one that I'm gonna be unboxing in the video that happens right after the live stream. Now, speaking about the live stream, I'm gonna be broadcasting during the live stream in case you wanna watch along with me. And the special part there, it's all gonna be in AR. It's a fancy new, it's on the table. I'm looking at a 3D rendering of a display that has the event on it. I really don't know if it's all gonna work. I hope it does. It should be kind of exciting. Well, I mean, you gotta show up to see exactly what happens. 10 a.m. Eastern Time, July 21st. Actually, in the description of this video, I'll put some popular time zones so that you don't miss out and you can schedule it because you're not gonna wanna miss it. It's gonna be me and Willie Doo, and we're gonna be watching it together with you. But of course, you wanna know about these giveaway devices as you would. These 8 units will go to Unbox Therapy subscribers. Make sure you're subscribed here on YouTube. And then head over to the link in the description, which will take you to the OnePlus NORD Instagram page. There's going to be a post there. All you have to do is like that post, and somebody who does that, you put your name in the hat for a chance to win one of these. And so I gotta give a shout out to OnePlus for making this possible, obviously, especially because I know you guys are such tech fans. You guys are heavy duty tech fans. And so for you guys to be able to get your hands on the new tech the way that I do, right when it launches at that moment. You guys are used to watching all of your favorite YouTubers get their hands on the new gear as soon as it launches. This kind of gives you guys a chance to do the same. If you win this giveaway, then one of these units will be on its way to you rapidly, and you can kind of partake in some of the hype. So make sure to head over to that Instagram page, get your entry in, and then let's meet up back on this channel on the 21st for the live event, as well as my unboxing video and first impressions with the OnePlus NORD.